Greetings, I'm Kevin M. Clark, CEO of Right Discovery, and I would like to talk to you today about tabletop exercises in litigation. Whether you're a legal professional or simply interested in the field, understanding how to effectively prepare for potential legal challenges can make a significant difference when real issues arise. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what tabletop exercises entail and explore the benefits they offer before your next legal proceeding. By the end, you'll understand why conducting these exercises ahead of any crisis is essential for a proactive legal strategy. Tabletop exercises are interactive, discussion-based sessions aimed at bringing team members together to collaboratively manage hypothetical incidents, spanning from natural disasters to cyber crimes. Conducted in an informal setting, these exercises allow participants to outline their roles and responsibilities and establish procedures to follow in case such incidents occur. When prepping for a potential litigation crisis, tabletop exercises can cover a range of focuses, including emergency responses, crisis communications, and more, ensuring comprehensive preparedness for any situation. Tabletop exercises provide numerous advantages for the company, its employees, and anyone who might be impacted by the potential scenarios explored. Some key benefits include: 1. Preparation. Tabletop exercises ensure that everyone in the company knows their role in case a hypothetical scenario becomes reality. They also help identify flaws in current response plans, allowing for necessary adjustments. 2. Cost-effective. As discussion-based activities that don't require extensive resources or equipment, tabletop exercises offer a safe and financially efficient way to enhance preparedness compared to workshops or full-scale drills. 3. Building relationships. These exercises foster relationships and build trust within the company by encouraging the exchange of ideas and bringing diverse perspectives on crisis management. 4. Identifying resource needs. During tabletop exercises, companies can assess their resource requirements and ensure they have the necessary tools and support to handle emergencies effectively. 5. Training. Tabletop exercises help employees develop problem-solving and critical thinking skills while reinforcing company standards. They ensure compliance with current regulations and legal protocols, which is crucial in a constantly evolving environment with changing personnel and procedures. These exercises help to identify and mitigate potential legal risks, ensuring that everyone is up to date with the latest legal requirements and best practices. While no exercise is without its drawbacks, the cons of tabletop exercises are minimal. Critics argue that the discussion-based nature of these exercises lacks realism and can be time-consuming. The unpredictability of real-life scenarios means that no exercise can cover every possible outcome. However, the benefits of being prepared far outweigh these limitations. Tabletop exercises provide a valuable opportunity for companies to enhance their readiness, making them a worthwhile investment in overall organizational resilience. In conclusion, tabletop exercises are an invaluable tool for any organization looking to enhance its preparedness for potential litigation crises. By incorporating these exercises into your company's routine, you can equip your team with the necessary skills for any legal issue that may arise. Right Discovery is here to assist you, so connect with us, and we would be happy to collaborate with you in conducting table topics that would ensure your team is thoroughly prepared. Thanks for tuning in to learn about tabletop exercises today, and feel free to subscribe for more insights.